Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to file your W-2 online. First, understand that your W-2 form is crucial, detailing your annual wages and the taxes your employer withheld. You'll need this document to accurately report your income to the IRS. Online filing platforms simplify this process, guiding you step by step. They help ensure accuracy and can often lead to quicker tax refunds compared to traditional paper filing methods. Let's get started. Now let's prepare your documents. Your employer should provide your W-2 form by January 31st. If you have other income, like from contract work, gather any Form 1099 documents as well. Next, select a reliable online tax software. Many popular options are available, some even offering free filing for simple returns. Ensure the platform you choose is secure and user-friendly for the best experience. With your W-2 in hand, it's time to enter the data. Carefully input the information from each box on your W-2 into the corresponding fields in your chosen tax software. Double-check every number, especially your wages in Box 1 and federal income tax withheld in Box 2. Accuracy here is paramount to avoid any discrepancies with the IRS. Take your time to ensure everything is entered correctly before moving forward. Finally, it's time to submit your return. Before hitting that submit button, conduct a thorough review of your entire tax return. Check for any missed deductions or credits and confirm all personal information is correct. Once you're confident, electronically sign and submit your return. You'll receive a confirmation once it's accepted by the IRS. Also, for those looking to simplify their daily routine, check the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.